Hello, you lovely linguists, and welcome back to another video. I have ways of making you speak. Prepositions again. Prepositions and contractions. So it sounds kind of painful when you mention contraction, and to some people it actually might be because they have difficulty with these. They're one of the more difficult sides of the language, and it takes people quite a bit of getting used to learn them. So let's take a look at the prepositions and how they contract. So what is a preposition, first of all? A preposition is a word or a group of words that we use before a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationship. In English, we have many, and these are just a few. So we're talking about the words to, at, with, without, until, for, by. So we've got quite a few. In this video, we're going to focus on the preposition to. So in Portuguese, we will say vou a casa. I go to house. In English, it would translate as I'm going home. It's used often when we're talking about a short stay. So in the example I've just given you, vou a casa, that means we're going to go home, but we're coming back. So if we say this to somebody, they know that means we're coming back. So the contraction is when a word contracts with another to make just one word. An example in English of this would be do not, we contract it to don't. Or doesn't, does not, doesn't. In Portuguese, prepositions will often contract with articles. An article is simply the word for the, an, a. Yeah. But we're going to focus on the. So let's take a look at some nouns and their genders. So when we learn nouns, we need to learn the article. So let's take a look. O museu, this one here. O museu, the museum. O cinema, the cinema. O aeroporto. O banco. Os correios. Now that one is plural. Note. A galeria de arte. A farmácia. A rodoviária. Yeah, by contracting the two, with the oo, we get ow. Ow. Sounds like you've got a pain. Ow. So let's take a look. Preposition to is in the left-hand column. And then in the article, we have both articles. We have the feminine and the masculine, and also the plural. So these are going to contract together. So when we put the and the oo, we get ow. When we put the with the oosh, we get oush. When we put the with the we get ah. When we put the with the we get urge. So let's take a look at this in use. Vamos ao museu. So here we're using ao. Eles vão ao cinema. Here we're also using ao. We're saying going to the. Vou ao aeroporto buscar a minha filha. I'm going to the airport to pick up my daughter. Ela vai ao banco. So all these are using the masculine nouns and the masculine article o. The next one is plural. Vou aos correios mandar uma encomenda. I'm going to the post office, to the post office. The next one is going to be with the preposition with the article a. Ela gosta de ir à galeria de arte. So we're contracting the two and we're making a. Ela vai à farmácia buscar a receita. She's going to the chemist to pick up the prescription. O Mário vai à rodoviária para comprar bilhetes. Mario is going to the bus station to buy tickets. So I hope that makes it clearer for you. Don't forget to click on that bell, subscribe. Don't forget to like and share, and take a look below in the more section and you can see some interesting links and some free content that you can also get. So until next time, até logo!